Are you ready to unlock effortless waves and styling brilliance? Introducing Mermade Hair, the go-to brand for achieving salon-quality results at home. Mermade Hair has revolutionized hairstyling with its innovative range of tools, offering versatility and efficiency to users of all levels. From the iconic waver creating effortless beach waves to the convenient blow-dry brush streamlining the styling process, Mermade Hair combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. The blow-dry brush is another gem in the brand's collection, designed to simplify the hair drying and styling process. This two-in-one tool combines the power of a blow dryer and a brush, allowing users to achieve a smooth, salon-worthy blowout at home. For those who love bouncy curls, the curler is a must-have. This user-friendly curling wand effortlessly creates long-lasting curls with its ceramic tourmaline barrel. The Mermade Hair Dryer combines power and precision for a salon-quality blowout. With multiple heat and speed settings, including a cool shot function, this hair dryer ensures customizable styling options while maintaining hair health. Mermade Hair styling tools offer effortless styling, versatility, time-saving design, hair health prioritization, adjustable temperature settings, long-lasting results, innovative designs, customer satisfaction, and celebrity endorsements.